If you're tired of slow growth, breakage, and feeling like your first year just won't thrive, trust me, I've been there. I am currently there. But what if one simple exercise could actually change this and bring your hair back to health? Anyway, I've been going on, or I've actually started a 1 year mini twist challenge, and this is my month two. And let me tell you all I have learned and all I will be doing. Let's get into the video. It's connected to Hi there, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dami the YouTuber, and if you're new here, welcome to this space. We talk about natural hair, lifestyle, and commentary. And if you're an old viewer and old subscriber, hi, I'm back. So yeah, guys, I know I said I wanted to be back until the end of January, but yeah, I got a new phone, and yes, I'm back here. I'm going to be posting every Wednesday and Saturday, 6 p.m. Nigerian time. So let's get into today's video. For as long as I can remember, I've seen on the internet a lot of people complain how their hair is not growing despite deep conditioning, despite putting those hair growth oils, despite washing, despite doing protective styles, and their hair is not still growing. And I know a lot of us fussy hair girls can actually relate to this. But then the fact about all this is, honestly, your products actually do little. Say that, yes. Products actually do little, and the key to retaining length is actually leaving your hair. Leaving your hair. That's the key to actually retaining length, and that's why I have decided to embark on this mini twist challenge, because mini twists are super easy to leave in your hair. They are super, they are like hairstyles that are evergreen. You put in mini twists for like, I'll put a picture of my miniaties after 1 month, and it still look really good. It's like the older it gets, the better it looks. For the OGs on this channel, you all know that my goal for this year is to get to 12 inches, and my hair is currently at, when I started, my hair was at, I think, 5 going on 6 inches. But today, I think my hair is around 6.5 when I measured it, because I just washed my hair. Yeah, that's why my hair is out. I'm about to install my mini twist. But yeah, and that's why I decided to pick mini twist as a protective style. I feel like not like I feel like, I mean, it is very known that mini twist actually, it's easier to moisturize when your hair is in mini twist. It's just like you have dreads and your hair is like easier, it's easier to just moisturize it than when it's in cornrows and the other protective styles. And I'll choose mini twist over and over again, because I don't have to like have to like stress my scalp, because when you're putting in mini braids, you have to like braid it from the scalp and all. But mini twist, you just take it and then you twist. I don't do little braids before twisting my hair. I just take it from the root and then I twist, and then my hair is not stressed. My hair is just living. She's just thriving. She's just there. She's just chilling and all. So, what do I want to achieve with this challenge? First of all, I want to retain length. I want, yes, that's 12 inches by December. I have to get it. And yeah, I feel this challenge is actually going to help me retain length, since I'm not going to be over manipulating my hair or manipulating my hair even at all. Secondly, I want to, how do I say it? I want to increase my hair health. Like, I want to make my hair more healthy, because yes, I want to have shinier, beautiful coils. And lastly, I want to inspire other fussy hair girlies out there that feel like their hair would not grow. If this challenge can work for me, definitely it can work for you too. If you're excited about this challenge as much as I am, you can follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest. You can check me out on all of them. Everything you will be seeing here on YouTube, you'll be seeing them there, and the links to them are in my description. And yes, you can add me up on Snapchat. Let's talk, let's chill, let's, your bodies. Yeah. Throughout this journey, I'll be sharing everything that I do, from what I do on wash days, from installing my mini twist, from, I'm not going to be just a regular schmegular mini twist. I'm going to be, I'm going to be giving you guys some kind of mini twist style. So yeah, if you want to see all of that, check out my social media, my other social media platform. I'll be posting them here too. And yes, we've come to the end of today's video. I know it's short, so thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please subscribe. Thank you, and bye.